Hey, we're back.
We're back.
Reacting to Travis Scott's Sirens. This is a new video from the album. Interesting album. Reacted to Meltdown and what? It was okay.
K-pop.
And K-pop, yeah.
And what's the other one?
I forgot the other one. But yeah, we've reacted to those and I'm a bit on the fence with this album, but let's see.
Spread out the word.
Is this real?
Yeah, I see like it.
I was too terrible. Back in the need of refurbish. I was up top with no service. Watches and I'm playing verses. They in the bushes, they lurking. My God, I call the insurgents. She wanna
It's giving me the same feeling as, especially the pattern of those snares of, what's that Kanye song? Where it's like the percussion drums. It's 4 in the morning. I got that song.
Black Skin Head. Is Black Skin Head?
Yeah. The
And how much is the budget on Travis Scott's videos? Because wow, this nigga
he's
is
signed mainstream, so the budget isn't there.
Yeah.
with a purpose. I gotta juggle my urges. Got a couple departments. Closet built like a department. Bubble a couple of apartment. I give all of my sermons. Yeah, we still do things down to detail. Diva and a devil. Both them bad as he yell. They get quiet when he yell. Case I live my people. You not there in the prequel. Meet me at the festive.
This is a beautiful shot.
No.
Now I got your attention. It's wide and beating. Bow this evening. You never leaving. Clock out, we sneaking. All the demons.
What a concept. Wow, this is an amazing shot.
Especially those that, like, not only is the aerial shot, but it's a distant aerial shot.
Yeah.
Which is not usual, especially indoors.
From 2 a.m. to 2 in the afternoon. It's a festival right in my room. Soon as the sun up, you know that we boom. Mary Puzzle, we out to Cancun. We gon' hustle more just before we out the room. Back outside, it ain't no time for zooms. 1.2, that's a whole lot of no room. 3.2, that's a whole lot of it's live. Remember days that I couldn't get by. That outside, I come with it inside. Now your BU, we gotta resize. I can't give all this credit to Kobe. But I way I be ready to smile. I know sometimes I be in denial. I know sometimes.
This guy's the new age Kanye West.
No, I don't think so.
I mean,
I get what you say,
yeah,
but not quite, is my point. What I will say, I commend him. Out of all of the trap guys, he's the one who's, at least now from the recent stuff, he's like, I can say he's growing musically. He's not only like the 808 only stuff.
not really. He's not the. There's Lil Uzi Vert who's been doing tackling different genres.
Yeah, but Uzi's been different from the get-go. Like, he wasn't really boxed in, as opposed to when you look at Travis Scott and you think of songs like, of the first album, Days Before Rodeo, or Antidote, songs like that. They were very boxed into what is known as trap. But with this, like, again, so, okay, there's growth now in the music. He's going just beyond, like, trap audiences.
Yeah, but in terms of, like, he has a good ear. I'll just say that.
Yeah, and he keeps great producers around. had to fuck it up with the last shot. I think it's not believable. Look at the distance.
What is this?
Look, nowhere near the top. It's not even a grip.
We'll have to give Child Protective Services a call.
It's in Brazil.
How many children died
It's in
to
Brazil.
make that scene?
Dollars will go a long way where fucking, what do they use? Pesos or whatever they use in Brazil. I'll have to listen to this song again just to like understand the video and the perspective,
Yeah,
because I don't think I get where
it's going.
yeah, but I'll have to listen to it in detail. But I like that video. It's a great video.
Yeah, it's a good video.
Man, it's a good video.
He is very like, I like his videos, and this.
Yeah. What I appreciate with his recent videos, he's no longer like doing those effects. that he used
Yeah,
to do.
there's
Like,
less effects.
Yeah.
There's
That's what
less.
I'm
There's
appreciating.
definitely less effects,
That's what I'm
and everything is more grounded now. This
Mm.
time around, now you get to see.
There's a thought process
people.
behind.
And another thing that I'll give him credit for is, you know what's one thing we didn't see in this video?
Yeah.
Ass.
Yeah.
We did not see ass,
We don't even see girls in
which is a
general.
relief. Like, he's been in his bag lately. Like, shout out to him and not showing us ass that we didn't ask for. So yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, and yeah,
Man, suggest any video.
please
like
suggest
us
videos for us if
you want us to react to.
because we react to a lot of different genres of videos. So tell us what you guys want to see. Tell us what you want to see us react to.
And yeah, we'll do so. We've got comedy, flipping everything that
Yeah.
you may or may not like. We have it.
So yeah, just
Stick around, watch more videos, and check
Yeah.
us on the next one.
shout out, guys. Thank you.